back with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are 14 subscribers away from 100. Let's get to it. Let's get it in this video right here. We're going to be explaining to you our process. We got some commercial HVAC duct cleaning going on right now. Yes, it's pollen season. My allergy medicine has not kicked in, so if I'm sneezing, I do apologize ahead of time. No, I don't have COVID, but I am a severe asthmatic. But on another note, let's go see what we got going today. Yes, sir. We all wrapped up another commercial HVAC duct cleaning here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Yes, sir. So as I mentioned before in this video, we only have 14 subscribers that we need for 100. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and send that to your family, your relatives, your neighbor, your associates, and also feel free to give us a comment down below if you feel like we're not giving you enough information, we're doing too much work, too much talking, not enough talking. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. And we always say, you don't want this guy.
You don't want that guy.
You want the honest guys. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Yes, sir.